Hi, Kimberly. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke earlier. Thank you so much for taking out time and watching my video. I came across your website when doing some research of plumbers in your area. Today, my goal is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, traffic to your website, and increasing your customers. Today we're going to be speaking on three different areas. So, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So, the first thing I want you to notice is that I'm here on your website and it's saying that it's not secure. Now, my computer's security would not let me go to your website. So unfortunately, I was not able to see your website. So this is something that actually Google does look at to when it comes to ranking. So you will want to make sure that your website is secure. Also, just like myself, and that I'm not able to see your website, you could be losing some customers because of that as well. So what I'm going to do is let's move on. So content though is anything that can be found within your website. So this would include words, videos, pictures, how the pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures. They're generally looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words. So the more content that you have, then the more keywords that you're able to implement. Now, keywords are the words that are typed in a search engine to find a certain service or type of company. So by having more keywords, then you're able to be found. People are going to come over to your website and you'll increase the number of customers that you actually get. So the next is going to be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your company name, address, and phone number are listed. So this could be listed on Google, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook, LinkedIn, for example. So the more citations that you have, people are going to be able to find your company more. Now, the goal is to have more citations than your competitors. So we would take a look and see how many citations they have and just make sure you have more than them. Now, this is what I found when Googling plumbers in Hayward, California. So the first thing that we see here would be the paid per click. These are companies that are paying to be in this area. This right here is called the map pack. Now the map pack is very important to be listed here. Generally, people will go directly over to the companies that are listed here. So it would be important to get you listed in this map pack. The next would be the organic search. So we see here that Yelp is in the first two. This is a local directory, Home Advisor. Then we have Router Hero. So then that would be your top competitor. So let's take a look at their website before we move on, just to give you an idea. Okay, and they have quite a bit of content. Okay, so the next tool we're going to use is called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs will show us how your website is doing. These numbers are not exact, but it does give us an idea. So I'm showing that you have 95 backlinks. Now backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. So the more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you will receive. Now, not all backlinks are the same, so we want to make sure you have some good quality backlinks. So for example, a backlink coming from a clothing store versus a hardware store will bring in a different amount of traffic. So we can always look at what your competitors are using for backlinks and then duplicate those same backlinks for you and generate more traffic. I'm showing that you're utilizing 29 keywords, bringing in about 70 people to your website per month and generating a little bit over $1,000. Let's take a look at those keywords. So this is how people are finding you. So all of these are your business name, waterproofing, plumbing Hayward, Monarch septic tanks, 3,000 gallon grease interceptor, precast concrete grease interceptors. So these are the words that are being used to find your company. Now let's take a look at Router Hero. Now this is a franchise company, so they do have a lot of traffic that goes to the website. Nonetheless, this is your competitor. So they have close to 24,000 backlinks. They're utilizing almost 6,500 keywords, bringing in a little bit over 26,000 people to their website per month, generating 755,000 in revenue per month. Let's look at their keywords. So plumber near me, Hero Plumbing, drain cleaning services. Let's see, certified plumbers near me, sewer line replacement. That's plumbers near me. Drain, okay, that won't affect you because that's in Los Angeles. 24-hour plumbing service. So just give you an idea of what people are typing in to find their company, and then this shows how they're ranking in those with those keywords. Now we can always use the same keywords that they're using and implement that on your website as well. And one last thing, and I do apologize. I was able to find you on page number 6, and you are ranking at number 55. So this is where you are. So our goal would be to have you ranked on that first page so that you bring in more customers. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I provided for you. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to speak in more depth in regards to these tips, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a good day.